Now, the imperfection in solid consists of this point defect, line defect, surface defect, volume, micro crack, and stacking faults. So in this slides, we have shown all the types of defects. Now, when you talk of the vacancies defect, vacancies is when an atom or an ion is missing from its regular lattice site, creating an empty space in the lattice and disrupting the future crystal structure. Then in the vacancies, we have these interstitials. The point defect in interstitial occurs when extra atoms or ions occupy the space between the regular lattice. These atoms can either be of the same species as the host lattice, self-interstitial, or different impurities. Then we have the substitutional defect. In substitutional defect, an atom or an ion is replaced by a different atom or an ion. The substituting species is smaller or larger than the original. It causes the distortion in the lattice. Then we have the Frankel defect. What is a Frankel defect? Basically, it is a combination of vacancies and interstitial defects, and it occurs when an atom or ion leaves its lattice site, creating a vacancy and then occupying an interstitial site. This type of defect is common in ionic crystals. Then we have the Schottky defect. Schottky defect occurs in ionic crystals when equal number of cations and anions are missing from its lattice. This maintains electrical neutrality but reduces the density of the crystal. So this defect is also not a desirable defect. Carrying forward, we will discuss more of the defects in the coming slides. That is your line defect, that will be the edge dislocation, screw dislocation. Then we will discuss the surface defects, including grain boundary, phase boundary, twin boundary, surface steps. Then we will discuss the volume defect, void inclusion precipitations. Then we will discuss what are stacking faults and micro cracks.